Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring designer and scheduler match. This prevents runtime mismatches. Next, connect your test dataset so you can iterate quickly. Once done, create a service account and enable gallery or scheduler API access, because automation relies on credentials you can rotate. Make sure to store keys securely and grant only required permissions. Now save a simple workflow that reads and outputs, and run it manually to confirm expected results before moving to automation. You parameterize inputs so schedules can pass dates, environments, or file paths without editing the canvas. Then choose your orchestration: a gallery schedule, scheduler job, or API-driven script. Use transitional scripts to exchange tokens. Once chosen, add robust logging, error handling, and conditional branches so retries or alternate flows occur automatically. Make sure to test each branch with edge cases. This reveals hidden assumptions. Finally, validate outputs against the test dataset to ensure transformations remain consistent across runs. You deploy incrementally. Start with low-frequency schedules and monitor logs closely, because early runs reveal environment quirks. Once stable, increase cadence and add alerts for failures, long runtimes, or unexpected value changes. Make sure to keep version copies in a repo and document rollback steps so you can revert quickly if a change breaks downstream. If things go wrong, check the API token, permissions, and input schema first. Those are the most common culprits. Then inspect two-level error messages for clues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.